I like to use square foot gardening. I use wires. I did strings in the beginning. It's all trial and error. So try, if it doesn't work, then alter it. I started with string, and string rotted pretty quickly, and you just touched it and it disintegrated. I now use wire. Wire is working really well. My bed walls are all wooden, and eventually I'm going to need to replace them. If you can afford limestone, that's even better. But my wire works great on the wood. It divides the squares, roughly a square foot. It's not perfectly accurate, but the idea is you're compartmentalizing your garden. It's making it easier to plant it one square at a time. Instead of thinking of the whole garden, I have to plant the whole garden, you can think of it as one bed at a time, one square at a time, one plant at a time. So recently I planted my brassicas. In this bed you can see I've planted Brussels sprouts, one per plant. As the plant grows, I'm going to harvest the leaves from the underside so the growth grows up. And once the plant gets high enough, I'll come underneath and plant radishes, carrots, beets, anything that grows, quick crops that I can harvest quickly, and that allows the plant to grow and have space for its roots as it develops over the season. Thanks for joining me in the garden. I hope you learned something today. And if you have any more questions, feel free to tag me in the Facebook group.